In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your makeup last all day. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are prepping your skin correctly. I've already done a skin prep video, so if you haven't seen that, I would suggest that you go ahead and watch that video. The second step is choosing the right foundation. If you're a person that maybe you're oily or dry, whatever, make sure the skin is hydrated and you want to use a long wearing foundation. Make sure that that's what the foundation is all about, long wearing. I love, if you're a person that you're on a budget, one of my favorites is the IRL Revolution. The L'Oreal Infallible, that's really good to use. If you want something a little bit more prestige, then you can either do Estee Lauder Double Wear or the Lancome Tinted All. Even MAC foundation, the Studio Fix, does last long as well. So now that we already talked about the foundation, you need to know how to apply it on the face. So I want you to pay close attention to how you see me apply this on my skin. Okay, you want to get a dampened beauty blender because you're going to use this. Like I said, the foundation I'm going to be using is the Ethereal Light Foundation. I'm going to pick this up, and because I don't use primers, I'm going to buff this into my skin, just like this. Buff it into the skin. What this will do is make the foundation, the skin prep, and my skin become one. You want to never forget, this is something that I see a lot of people do. You want to never forget the air if the air is being exposed. Because I have fine lines under my eyes, what you want to do is make sure, you see I avoided that under eye area. The only thing that you want to put underneath your eyes is hydrating products. That's it. You take your concealer. If you have fine lines under your eyes, or if you just want no kind of creasing, the formulation of the concealer matters. I like my skin, like I said, to look a little glowy, or satin. You want to apply your concealer like this on the entire under eye area. And what you're going to do is let that dry down. You're not going to touch it. You're just going to do the rest of your makeup and then come back to that in the end. You want to take a setting spray like this. Make sure it's not wet. And you're going to apply, and you're just going to you're just going to blend out. You want to avoid the under eye area. You're just doing the foundation. All right, so now I'm going in with a contour. This is it's from Dibs, and I'm just using like a stomping motion just to kind of get this outlined. And I'm really using this as a contour and not like a bronzer. And you could just blend it out. This is the orangey tone. Now apply this right in the apples of the cheeks. Going in with pink. Right here. And right here. And I got Ginger Snap. And just blend out this concealer. So I'm just going to bring some warmth in the face, and I'm using the Essence powder for this one just to kind of give me a nice warmth. I'm going to do the Super Stay and apply this on the center part of the face just to kind of give it more like a blurred effect. And as you guys can see, I am literally, to keep this makeup on all day. You notice how it looks, right? This is how you prevent your makeup from looking cakey. But now I'm going to take this and I'm going to set it. But you want to shake it first, about this much from the face, and then spray. A lot of times people will tell you don't spray your eyes, and we normally cover your eyes, but to be honest, I feel like your eyes need it too. But don't do it like this, just like, you know. And you want that to dry. Like, I can feel it on my skin. This stuff will hold the makeup on, but notice you can still see some glow through my skin, and it's all because of the products that I use is not drying. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. Thank you for watching. Save this video for later.